Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave, Concord, California. And today we have our 2006 Yamaha WR450R. This is a electric start, green sticker, dirt bike. Really nice performance. This bike is in excellent condition, super clean, good tires. Everything on it is really nice. It also has a couple of nice extra features. If you'll notice down by the engine, it's got a really high quality rock guard. And also on the radiators. And up front here you've got the bark busters on the handlebars, color matched. Really nice condition. You can see the tires are good. This bike is ready to go. It's got electric start. Fire it up for you so you can see how nice that sounds, and it runs and starts easily. This bike's in excellent condition. Come by, check it out. It's only $35.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We've got financing available, extended service contract. Come by and check it out. Only $35.99. Thank you.